This will be an unboxing video of the Newport Dickinson Explorer. And yeah, this is a propane heater for your camper van. And it's a new model. They used to make it for boats, but now they discovered that people have been doing it inside campers and RVs, and so they made a version. And it's a fireplace for your camper van without all that wood and cleaning hassle. So right off the bat, wow, looks interesting. So they have these things, tubes, Dickinson support. Oh, you get a Dickinson support sticker. Look at that. All right. All this installation and operation stuff. They even paper clip it for you, which is kind of neat. You get these things. All right, let's put that to the side. Wow. Take a look at that beauty. I just noticed how it looks like they laser cut this stuff and you can kind of see the markings, but I think it should come off when you peel it. But yeah, it looks like there's some markings there, like the way they opened it. But wow, this is very heavy duty buttons. That shit is not going anywhere. Definitely for the price. Okay, so you get a box. This should be the upper thing. Wowsies. Wow, I'm so excited. Okay. Oof. Wow. Huh, it looks like there's a lot of metal shavings. So be careful. Aha, the tube. Bendable tube. Smells like metal. Nothing too crazy. I always like the smell of new things. Ooh. I don't know why, but it looks like must have been just from the moving, but some of the packaging looks like it's eaten through, but probably not a big deal. Cool, man. So we got this amazing thing. Wow. Okay, so I think there's you can peel this off. Pretty sure you're supposed to peel this off before you use it. Seems like a plasticky thing. Makes sense. That's why it looks a little burnt. Yeah, so fiber. Not sure what it says. The for lace. What does it say? Fiber and CO2. Okay, well, I'll have to figure all that stuff out. Looks nice and big. Advertisement in French. Okay, underneath. Yeah, be careful, you could cut yourself with this metal. Operating instructions are underneath in the metal plates. So, very official. Kind of wound with some wire there. Some very Like an engineering mind definitely put this here. This is hilarious. It's twisted by some wires. I'm just gonna untwist it. If I can. Aha. Okay. That's new. Stop, read the safety informations. Okay. This is going to be popping out the top of my van. Kind of cool. And there is like a weather guard you can get for this, which I recommend, but I didn't get it because I saw it after I ordered it and I didn't have time to request it before it came. So I figured if I need a weather guard, I can just make one. Basically, it's like a cylinder, connects from the top, covers this thing. But I recommend if you're going to order this to buy that as well. It's like $70. But this is going to have to do. Hopefully it's good enough. Please peel all plastic before firing. Yeah, so this is all plastic. You have to peel off. Dickinson. Cool. So I don't know what else you guys want to know. Oh, wait. How do we open it to fire? Usually there's a door here. I guess they've installed their own lighter inside. Oh, I thought there was like a door. Huh. Interesting. Well, let's see the instructions. Read the safety information, turn off all electric power. Push button ignition. Cool. I wonder where the button is. Right hand side. Aha! There it is. Push button ignition. Okay. And there you go. Okay, testing. So these things you peel. Hopefully that sounded good. Some ASMR for you. One little piece at the end there, but I can get it for you guys. That's it. Kind of annoying that there's all this writing on the side. I would have liked that to be flush, but I can't even screw it out because it's like bolted. But you gotta have warnings.